You're listening to Seven Horns AI, your AI-powered market update. It's Thursday, June 4th, 2026, and here's your market wrap for today. Today was a sharply divergent session on Wall Street, truly a tale of two markets. The Dow Jones Industrial Average surged 875 points, closing up 1.73% at a new record of 51,562. This was largely driven by a significant rotation out of technology and into value, financials, and healthcare names. The S&P 500 edged 0.41% higher, closing at 7,585, notching its 10th gain in the last 11 sessions. However, the Nasdaq Composite slipped 0.09% to 26,831, weighed down by a semiconductor-led tech sell-off. Intraday, markets opened mixed, with the rotation trade evident from the bell. The Dow marched steadily higher throughout the session, while the Nasdaq spent most of the day in negative territory. Looking ahead, after hours, S&P 500 futures are modestly lower, down about 0.5%, and Nasdaq 100 futures are notably weaker, down over 1%. Dow futures, meanwhile, are essentially flat, confirming that the rotation theme is holding. The chip pain is deepening in extended trading, with Micron off another 2.5% and Nvidia giving back its entire session gain and then some. The big story today was Broadcom, which plunged 12.6% to $418.91 after issuing underwhelming AI revenue guidance. This disappointment sent a shockwave through the entire semiconductor complex, with Micron falling 7.74%. While chips bled, the rotation into traditional value sectors was forceful. Megacap highlights include Google, which stole the show with a 3.68% surge, making it the best megacap performer of the day. Tesla was a laggard, down 1.24%. Among other notable movers, Intellia Therapeutics surged 13.3% and Innodata rallied 12.2%. Today's U.S. session saw a mixed close, with the Dow surging to a new record while the Nasdaq slipped. In their just-concluded June 4th session, Asian markets saw the Nikkei in Japan close down 1.4% and the Hang Seng in Hong Kong fall 1.5%. This regional weakness, driven by geopolitical tensions, is also reflected in the currently active futures for their Friday session, with Nikkei futures pointing 2.2% lower, suggesting a cautious sentiment for the next trading day. In macro news, the U.S. announced new tariffs targeting the European Union and the United Kingdom, ranging from 10 to 12.5%. Federal Reserve officials maintained their hawkish rhetoric, with policy rates holding at 3.5 to 3.75%, sending the U.S. 10-year yield to 4.49%. On the geopolitical front, Israel and Lebanon signed a ceasefire, which helped ease some oil risk premium, with Brent crude dipping just below $95. For tomorrow, traders will be keenly focused on upcoming U.S. jobs data and global central bank actions, including expectations for a potential Bank of Japan rate hike. That's your market wrap for today. This has been a Seven Horns AI production. For more insights, visit us at sevenhorns.ai. We'll be back tomorrow.